Hi viewers, welcome to LMS Solution. In today's video, we are going to discuss the MATLAB simulation of a fractional order PI controlled grid connected photovoltaic PV system and compare its performance with a conventional PI controlled grid connected PV system. The PV array used in this model consists of solar panels rated at 213 W each with a maximum power point voltage of 29 V and maximum current of 7.35 A. The panels are connected in 10 series modules and 5 parallel strings, producing a DC voltage close to 290 V. A boost converter is used to increase this voltage to around 700 V for the DC link. The boost converter is controlled using the perturb and observe P&O MPPT algorithm, which measures PV voltage and current to track the maximum power point. The DC link is connected to a 3-phase voltage source inverter which transfers power from the PV system to the grid. The inverter is controlled using feed-forward decoupled DQ current control. The DC link voltage is regulated using a fractional order PI controller where parameters such as KP, KI and the fractional order lambda help improve the dynamic performance and stability of the system. In this control structure, the IDE component controls the real power injection while the IQ reference is maintained at 0 to ensure that only real power is delivered to the grid. Simulation results are evaluated under different irradiance conditions of 400 Ohm2, 800 Ohm2 and 600 Ohm2. The results show that the system successfully extracts the maximum power under changing conditions. With the fractional controller, the grid current TSD is below 1%, while the conventional PI controller shows higher harmonic distortion and slower response.